Hi, this is Jean with Crocheting with Jean, and I'm going to show you how to make a double crochet baby hat. Okay, so what we're going to need is you're going to need one ball of Capri from Loops and Threads yarn. You're also going to need a pair of scissors, and you're also going to need a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, and this baby hat is a size 0 to 3 months. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so let's get started on this 0 to 3 month double crochet hat. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to start with a slip knot. So you're going to leave a little bit of yarn at the end for your tail. You're going to wrap your yarn around your fingers twice. You're going to take your hook and slide under the first loop, grabbing the second and pull it through. Just like so. And just pull up on your knot a little bit. And now you're going to chain 5. 5. Okay, so now you're going to do a slip stitch into the first chain you had made. So you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're gonna go right into that to do a slip stitch. There, and that makes a little circle. Okay, so now in that little circle, you're gonna see in the middle here, there's a spot we can go in with our crochet hook. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put 12 double crochet into that little spot. So you're gonna yarn over, go into that little hole, grab your yarn, bring it up, and you're gonna go, and you're gonna see that you have 3 loops on your hook. Now, you're going to yarn over and go through the first 2 loops on your hook. Okay, now you have 2 remaining. Yarn over and go through the last 2. There, and that is your first double crochet in the round. So we're going to continue and do 11 more. Just like that. Oh, lost my stitch there. Go back in. Okay, and continue on and finish up your 10 more to make 12. And we'll meet back up at the end of this round, and I'll show you how to finish this round off and to start the next. Okay, so we're coming up on our 12th double crochet in this round. So I'm going to do the last one here. You yarn over, grab your yarn, pull up, go through the first 2 loops on your hook, and then the second 2. Okay, so now we're ready to end this round. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the first little V here. You see how there's a spot here? That's not considered a V. The next spot is, because it's on top of your first double crochet you had done. So you're going to slide into those first 2 little V's, grab your yarn, bring it through, and then you're going to come into the last one on your hook and bring it through there. So that's a slip knot. Sorry, that's not a slip knot, that's a slip stitch. Okay, so now you're gonna go and you're just gonna pull on your little tail and it's gonna close up that little circle. Just like that. Okay, so now you're going to chain 2. Okay, so into each of the stitches we had just done, there should be 12 of these little V's here, little stitches. There should be 12 of those, and you're gonna do 2 double crochet into them. So in each little stitch, there's gonna be 2 double crochet. So here's the first one. And now for the second. Okay, and you're just gonna continue putting 2 double crochet into each of the stitches around until we get to the end of this round. We'll meet back up after. Okay, so now we're coming up to our last stitch. So we're going to do our last set of increases in the second round. And our last double crochet here. Okay, so now we're just going to join at the top of our first double crochet that we had done in this round. So you're gonna see right here, you're gonna go into that one because this right here is your chain 2 and we're not gonna count that as anything. We're gonna go straight into the first double crochet and join our round. So there is your slip stitch, just like that. So now you're going to chain 2. Okay, and in your next stitch, you're going to do 2 double crochet into that, and this one is gonna count as your first stitch. So this is gonna be your first increase in this round. You're gonna do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, and the next one is just 1 double crochet. Okay, and then the next one, 2 in the same stitch. And then 1. So you're going to continue just like that until you get to the end of this round and we'll meet back up. Okay, so I have crocheted until 5 inches. So now I'm just going to finish off this round. So we're just going to do a slip stitch into this first double crochet that we had made in that round. So you're just going to pull up on your yarn. And you're just going to take your scissors and give it a little cut. And then you're just going to pull through. So now all you have to do is tie in your ends, and I'm going to put a video in the description box down below on how to tie in your ends. And thanks for watching this video, and make sure that you like and subscribe with Crocheting with Jean. Thanks, bye.